Hello guys, how are you today? Now in this video we'll learn some tips about describe image, how to speak, how much speed while speaking, etc. Describe image is third part in speaking module, and it's most important also. So you already know how it's contribute in other modules, so we couldn't waste our time in this. So first of all, if you are new in PTE, like you just start your PTE exam preparation, or if it has been 10 to 15 days since you joined, then you may face some problems. So don't worry. Let's see. We have 35 seconds for preparation and 40 seconds for speaking. The chart gives information regarding change in average weekly working hours by industry. It can be very clearly seen the technology, the value of week 1 is 40. In healthcare, the value of week 1 is higher, which is 45. The highest value of week 2 is in healthcare, which is 43. And the lowest value of change in hours is in healthcare, which is -2. In conclusion, this bar chart is very informative. That's it. Remember one thing: when you're speaking image, before press start, take a deep breath and feel comfortable and relax. Because hesitation doesn't speak you very well. So just relax and feel free while practicing, because if you hesitate, you will not perform better. So if this video informative, do like and subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. And if I do any mistake in this video, please comment me and I try to solve mistake in upcoming videos. Good luck.